Hi guys, so for this project we'll be using size 5mm knitting needles. So the first thing we need to do is cast on 120 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, so after you finish casting on 120 stitches, you need to make sure that your stitches are straight, and now we'll continue to work in a circle. So we will knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and we'll continue to do that for 10 rows. After you finish 10 rows of 2 knit 2 purl, I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so after you finish 10 rows of 2 knit 2 purl, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and you will do that for 2 rows. And then I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, after you finish 2 rows of 2 purl 2 knit, your work should look like this. On row 13 you need to knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and you need to do that for the next 2 rows, and then I will show you what to do next. This is row 14. Okay guys, so from now on repeat the last 4 rows, and I'll check back with you later to show you what to do next. Okay guys, so when you have a total of 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42 rows from the beginning, you need to divide your stitches into 4 groups and mark every 30th.
Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30.
And now that you've marked every 30th stitch, it's time to start decreasing. So you will knit the marked stitch and the stitch next to it together. Continue with the pattern for the remaining stitches. Knit the marked stitch and the stitch next to it together. Continue with the pattern. And continue to repeat these same steps until you have a total of 48 stitches left. When you have a total of 48 stitches left, I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, when you're left with 48 stitches, you need to grab a tapestry needle, put your yarn through it, and then move all your stitches from your knitting needles to the tapestry needle. Remove the tapestry needle. Turn your hat inside out. Tighten the yarn. Secure your stitches. Cut the yarn and loose ends. Remove your stitch markers. This is how the top of the hat will look like. And this is how the finished hat will look like. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.